Hey, this is Richter, and got the package in the mail today. It came in better condition than I thought it would. The bow's missing, but the wrapping paper is still intact. And I'm going to have my daughter, Leia, here do the unboxing.
Should I just pull it off?
Yeah, just open the box.
Okay.
I think there's
a note on the box, so at least it says something. Actually, no, I think that's just the box, like part of the box. I don't know.
Yeah, it's just design on the box. It's a Hallmark box.
I don't know how to go about opening this.
Here.
It looks so easy.
There you go.
Can't get it open.
Hold the box down. There you go.
There we go. Got a note. I see something already. I'm gonna open this first. Ooh, there's a t-shirt. Can you tell them your size?
Yep. What's the t-shirt have on it?
Can't see it yet.
Oh, it's a Game Trading Zone t-shirt. That's the website I got this from.
That's cool.
It's a website I trade video games on.
There's puppy stickers.
Oh, cool. Vintage Nintendo stickers. Those are from when I was a little kid in the 80s.
Oh, wow.
1988. So I was about in 4th grade.
It sounds like the Nintendo official seal of quality on it.
That's a Nintendo game.
Well, yeah.
In the protector case.
Yeah, but back then they had that seal of quality on them.
They still release games with a Nintendo seal of quality.
Oh.
Disney Adventures from Capcom. I remember playing that back in the day.
What is this?
Looks like a Hallmark ornament. Turn around, what is it? Oh, it's a Christmas ornament of a Nintendo.
That's cool.
Old NES system. That's very cool. I like that.
Dragon Warrior.
That's a good Nintendo game.
I don't know what this is.
That's a Nintendo game.
Oh, it's Metroid.
Yeah, it's the original Metroid.
I've never played Metroid before. I know like the old Kid Icarus games were based off Metroid. I think they were like supposed to be a combination of Legend of Zelda and Metroid.
You're a big Kid Icarus fan, aren't you?
Well, yeah, I like the new games. They're like the one new game.
Castlevania Symphony of the Night.
I've never played Castlevania either. Got a whole stack of games here.
Well, hand me one at a time.
Batman. Ooh.
Never could beat Batman on the Nintendo.
We got a Link to the Past here.
Cool. It's Super Nintendo.
I don't know what this is.
Harvey's Humongous Adventure. It's a Super Nintendo game.
And then we got one more. Collision of...
It's the Illusion of Gaia.
Oh.
It's a RPG.
Cool.
For Super Nintendo.
Ooh, what's this?
That's a good one too.
Oh, there's a book in here. It's at the bottom though, so I'll have to get it out later. Oh, these are like the gaming guides that come with the case, like when you buy the game.
The instruction manuals.
Though. Yeah, the instruction manuals. They started coming out though.
Yeah, there's Metroid. This one in Japanese. Not sure which game that is. Zone of the Enders. Dragon Warrior. And Super Mario All-Stars.
Oh, look, there's a card game in here. We can give this to my mom. She'd like that.
Yeah, the Super Mario Power-Up card game. I have to play that.
Did that come out a while ago?
It's been around for a couple years. 2017, so 3 years.
Got some more games. Super Mario All-Stars. You know that one. And it's the one in Japanese.
I do have an adapter to play those.
Oh, cool. G.I. Joe.
I loved G.I. Joe when I was little. I didn't have this game, though. It was hard to find. I think we rented it a couple times.
I used to have all these little pet shop, like, DS games and stuff.
Monster in My Pocket. That was a line of toys and a cartoon.
Aw, it's cute.
It's a good game.
I see a book at the bottom, and I can't get it out because I haven't gotten everything off the top. Oh, it's
okay.
a PS4 game.
God of War. PlayStation.
There's actually a lot of Xbox and PlayStations on here.
It's a good thing we have an Xbox and a PlayStation, huh?
That one's for 360 though.
Dragon's Dogma.
Castlevania for the original PlayStation.
It's Castlevania Symphony of the Night.
Call of Duty for the original PlayStation 2. I was gonna say original PlayStation, but I realized it was PlayStation 2. Got some Wii games. Got Ghost Squad. At least to Grandpa, because he has a Wii.
We still have a Wii.
Oh, we do? And
yeah, I remember playing this. This is
Marble Mania.
Light gun game.
I think I've played this. I don't know.
I love Marble Mania. That's a lot of fun on the Wii. I like any of the marble maze type of games. That one you control a marble and you're trying to beat the mazes.
Ooh! They got one of the mangas. Or the mangas. I don't know.
Is that one you've read before?
I've read this. This is part 1.
You haven't read that one? It's not one of the Zeldas you have?
I collected on a manga or manga.
Cool. There's one you haven't read.
Cool.
I haven't read it either.
Okay. Got another gaming guide. I forget what they're called. Instruction manual.
I think this is a comic book.
Oh.
Or something.
Cool.
It's a book about. Maybe it is the guide. I don't know. It's got interviews and comics and things in there.
That's cool.
Probably use Google Translate to figure out what it says.
Got a PlayStation 2 game. It says Metal Gear Solid.
Oh, that's classic.
And
Metal
Zone
Gear
of
Solid
the
2.
Enders. There's a few things in here. Should I open the bag?
Looks like it's already open.
Oh, oops.
I think you just sealed it.
Got some more of the manuals, I think.
Yeah, let me see.
Ooh, I think
Cool
this
spot.
It's just a box of. I think it's just a bag of manuals.
7-Up mascot that had like 3 games.
It's a box of manuals. Or a bag, I mean.
That's a poster.
What's this for? Oh, this is a Sega game. They have a game for the Sega Genesis. They have a Sega Genesis game in here.
1 second.
It's Tiny Toons.
Tiny Toons Buster's Hidden Treasure. I used to really like that cartoon. They just brought back one of the Warner Brothers cartoons, Animaniacs and Pinky and the Brain.
I know. I'm sad they got rid of like Slappy the Squirrel and all that stuff though. Slappy the Squirrel is my favorite.
Maybe they'll bring her back in season 2.
Tips and tactics.
Ah, it's a Zelda hint book.
Yeah. I'm interested to see what this is. It looks like a comic. That's like that art style from that one game.
That is a children's book.
Oh. Can I look through it?
Yeah.
This is cool. It has the art style of that one game no one likes.
What game?
I forget what it came out on, but it's like the one that everyone in the Zelda, like everyone who's ever played Zelda doesn't like.
I don't know. People like all the Zelda games. Oh, you're talking about the one that didn't come out on Nintendo?
Yeah. I forget what it's called.
On like the CDI or something?
Yeah, that one. Time Lord.
Never played this one.
Ooh. Got more. I think these are more stickers.
I have to try this out.
These are stickers. I can't tell. What game are they from? I think they're Castlevania stickers.
Those are magnets.
Oh.
That's why they're so heavy.
I was thinking about that, yeah.
It's a Castlevania magnet set.
Cool. Do you like Castlevania?
Yeah. Castlevania is a classic.
Have you ever seen the cartoon? I heard there's a cartoon on Netflix.
I have not watched the anime, but I did spend hundreds and hundreds of hours playing the original Nintendo Castlevanias and Super Nintendo Castlevanias.
What another box. I think it came out of like the thing I was in.
It's a band, AC/DC.
Oh,
Before your time.
Little pins and stuff down here.
It's a package of trading cards.
Oh, cute. And
I remember opening those. They had a scratch-off games inside and stickers.
I can't tell what this is. Should I open the bag for this?
I think I used to get them at Big Lots for a nickel. Same with Garbage Pail Kids. This is a charm set from video game.
Don't know which one.
No, I have trouble saying that name.
Oh. Nintendo Power Guide.
That's a strategy guide for Ninja Gaiden 2.
Ooh.
We used to have to get these guides before the internet so you could figure out how to beat a game. There was no internet to look stuff up.
That's everything in the box, I think. Yep, that's everything.
Okay, we got a lot of cool stuff, don't you think?
Yeah.
All right, thanks. That's the end.